Hello and welcome to Sibos Sidebar with FinTech Futures. I am Sharon, the editor at FinTech Futures, and joining me today is Victoria Harverson, Global Head of Business Development for SmartStream Air. Hello, Victoria.
Hi, Sharon. How are you?
I'm really well, thank you. So what developments have taken place since SmartStream launched its first AI solution at last year's Sibos? And what is on the agenda for the next 12 months?
Well, SmartStream have been very busy over the last year. We've been increasing adoption with existing clients and adding new clients. I've been involved in a lot of great projects over the last 6 months, particularly with some cool new brands and a couple of digital banks joining our customer base. In terms of the actual AI solutions, Air is the most obvious application of AI. The solution harnesses pure AI to match any data for any reason instantly. It can be used horizontally in any area of a business that requires data sets to be checked for accuracy and completeness. In fact, we can use it in industry segments outside of financial services as well. And we've just launched 2.0, which we are announcing at Sibos. So this version is going to benefit from an extremely enhanced user experience. The interface is very, very intuitive, so no training should be required to use the tool. We have introduced PCI DSS certification, which is the industry standard for information security, so you can process credit card data and card data, and this is great to expand the footprint in the payments segment, which is something that we are doing right now. And lastly, we're very excited about our new version because it introduces affinity, and this is a functionality that uses observational learning techniques to mimic user behavior and learn from the iterations and the changes that they make in the system, or things that they don't make, or items that they don't match. It learns from that and it observes it and it improves over time. So this is very compelling moving forward for sure.
And can you break down how SmartStream Air works and what it's going to do to transform traditional data verification and reconciliation processes?
I can. So I've been working in reconciliation in this space for about 5 years. Traditionally, the model for this whole process is that an organization needs to consume low quality, non-standard data. It comes from many different sources, internally and externally, in lots of different formats. That data needs some sort of massaging and upfront work before you can process it and work with it. Lots of people are often used to configure and build those processes and define matching rules and logic to compare the data sets. And all you're looking for is errors and issues. But this process still can be measured in weeks and months, and it can often take IT projects. So Air is a fantastic solution that fully challenges that whole model. So Air allows you to take any low quality format of data, pretty much everything from Excel, CSV, text, Swift, anything that's structured in any format. You can load it in all at the same time, and Air will use pure AI to run data analytics on the messy data that you give it. It maps it, it uses self-supervised learning, it auto-generates all the match rules, and it produces an output of all the outstanding items. But it does this whole process from end to end within minutes and seconds, and no IT projects are needed. The delivery model is also different in that this is a pure SaaS cloud native delivery model. So you can go live immediately on the same day if you wish, with no implementation projects. I mean, use cases would be sort of anything that's on Excel and manual reconciliations, inter-system reconciliations, regulatory reporting checks, and also it's really great to accelerate IT projects when you're doing a system migration or replacement.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, Victoria, and giving us such great insight on SmartStream Air. And of course, for more, please do visit SmartStream Air's website via the links below. And please do keep your eyes peeled on FinTech Futures for more FinTech news. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thanks, Sharon. Bye.